This is a no fishing zone.
Catch him, dude. First pike. First pike. First pike. Feels kind of big.
It is a pike.
First pike. First pike. Matt, you gotta switch to this lure right now. Yeah. No! Oh, no! Dumb. I did not. What did I do wrong?
You pulled it. You pulled it straight like.
Oh my god. Oh.
Take a pike at an angle.
Yeah. It's. I'm on it. No! No. I think it's a weed. We can come back. Swallow my boilie. I just want a girlfriend. I set up my bivvy. I hope a girl comes by. I'll invite her in.
Oh, it's getting around munching in the bivvy. My bivvy keeps me dry, but it keeps the ghost wet.
I'm sad. Matt, I want to hang. Nick Miller in Trashy Fisherman. Oh my god. I caught a clam. Caught a clam, boys. Matt.
Stop behind me and went, fishing. Fishing. Look at this. And then just walked away.
Bro, he was literally having a conversation with himself when he walked past me.
Fishy, fishy.
I'm losing my mind. I think they are. Yeah. Matt, where are we? Oh. Catch anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit slow today.
Yeah, I know, but the reason actual cork is nice is when foam gets like fish slime on it, you lose grip, but the actual cork actually still stays grippy.
We say cork. Cork.
Cork.
Cork. Mate, it's cork. This wind is insane. I'm gonna launch it over there. Oh, look at that.
It'll be